Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sutapa, and in this channel we talk about skincare, we talk about product reviews, we also do reaction videos. So if you're new to my channel, go and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload. And one more thing guys, I have opened an Instagram account. You can go and follow me there. I also post really interesting stuff there, so you can go and check it out. Okay guys, so today I'm going to share with you my hair care routine and how I always keep my hair silky, smooth and healthy. These three things are really important for me. So how I really do that, I'm going to show you here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to comb my hair and I'm going to comb it section wise. Okay, so you can see that I have actually combed my hair. It's fully complete. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hair, means I'm going to apply shampoo. I'm going to apply the Dove shampoo. You can apply any shampoo which is paraben free, sulfate free, you know, those shampoos are really good for your hair. So I have this Dove shampoo and I'm going to apply this. Now you may be thinking that of course you need to apply it in your washroom. Yes, I'm going to apply it there. I'm not going to apply it here, but I cannot take you to my washroom because that is not a place you should see. You will hate it. That's why. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this shampoo. First I'm going to wet my hair, I'm going to damp my hair, and then I'm going to apply this shampoo. I'm going to apply this full packet, okay, and I'm going to show you when I lather or something. Yeah.
2000 years later.
I've just washed my hair and now I'll apply this oil. I have not applied anything else. Now if you are thinking that have I applied conditioner or not, no, I have not applied the conditioner. I'm just applying this oil, and I have made this oil a replacement of the conditioner. This is the coconut oil, Parachute's coconut oil, normal one. Especially you have to apply it in the end parts. I find that is the most rough part, so you need to apply it, and after applying it wholeheartedly, just go and wash your hair. And I'll just go and wash my hair after applying it. And yeah, now I've washed my hair after applying that oil, and now I'll just take a t-shirt and tie my hair. This is me tying my hair with the t-shirt. It's a simple cotton t-shirt. I'll explain to you later on. So you can see that I have tied my hair, or what do I say, done this with a cotton t-shirt, and I will let my hair air dry. I will keep this for half an hour until my it soaks all the water from my hair, and then I will just air dry because I don't have a dryer. That's why I'll just let it air dry. See you after I dry my hair.
One eternity later.
Easy. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm back. You can see my hair is like this. I have already shown you guys few of the steps which I follow, which actually helps my hair to be healthy, silky and smooth, which everybody wants, like that kind of hair. So first, washing my hair only twice a week. I don't go to thrice a week or 4 times a week. I just wash my hair twice a week, and I feel that that's enough for me.
twice a week is really enough for me. And then the second is that I always brush my hair before washing it. I feel that I don't know, it just give me something. I feel that my hair becomes extra smooth and extra silk with it. So yeah, that's also a step which I follow. So these two things are very important. And one more thing, guys, I'm going to give you a tip, is whenever you are doing any hairstyle with your hair, like whenever you are doing a ponytail or anything, comb your hair first, make it absolutely tangle free, and then you know, do whatever you hairstyle you want to do. Because I have seen people, you know, they were tying the ponytail and then they were brushing it or combing it, and that was the least favorite thing for me to see because that's really irritating, and that's the main reason why we get so much hair, because we put so much pressure on our hair. Let it be free, guys, and let it fly. Okay, so yeah, that was all for today, guys. If you liked my video, give a big thumbs up and share it. Do comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm actually uploading it like twice a week. I'm trying to upload it, so you can go and check out. Till then, bye bye. And one more thing, go and check out my Instagram handle, and I have also, and next I'm going to do a review on something. I'm going to do